Hi Prashant,
Hello.
introduce yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for the opportunity, sir. And my name is Sai Prashant. I come from Rajahmundry. I did my graduation in engineering from Swarnandhra College of Engineering and Technology, Narsapuram. And I used to work for telecom sector in Reliance Jio for 2 years, monitoring ISCs, CSCs, OSCs, enterprise cells for fiber monitoring. And I'm a great team player and a good leader, sir.
Okay, so fine. What is your technical skills? Which area you're strong?
Sir, I'm strong in Terraform scripting and storage account and load balancers.
Okay, fine. So let me ask you some questions. So what is NSG?
Sir, NSG stands for Network Security Group, and basically NSG allows, denies, and controls the traffic data which comes from user to the server.
Okay, you said controls the data. In what basis? How it controls the data?
Sir, actually it has some priorities. We call it priorities. It is a number based on hierarchy.
So if priority, if you use priority, then it will control.
No, sir.
On what basis it will control? Mainly.
NSG has mainly 6 tools, sir.
Okay.
3 inbound tools and 3 outbound tools. So based on that, by default we have deny rule, and based on that it controls the traffic. If we add in rule to allow the traffic, it allows it.
Okay. So coming to load balancers. So what is exactly traffic manager? How it works? How it routes the traffic?
So traffic manager routes traffic based on traffic methods. It has mainly 6 types of traffic methods to route the traffic: priority wise, weightage, performance, subnet level, multi-level, and multi-value and geographical level.
Okay.
So these are the 6 ways by which it routes the traffic.
Okay. So can you explain me the workflow of the traffic manager? How it traffic routes whenever the user sends a request?
Yes, sir. Whenever the user browses the data, the data moves to the DNS.
Data.
Yes, I mean traffic.
Request.
Yes, sir. The request moves to the DNS, and the ultimate thing is that using, the workflow would be like user can connect to the endpoints.
Okay. So user traffic will directly connect to the endpoint. Instead of traffic manager sense, it will connect via endpoint.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now what is exactly the difference between application gateway and front door?
Sir, application gateway is a regional load balancer, while front door is a global load balancer. And application gateway uses path or URL based routing, and front door is mainly based on CDN, content delivery network. So that by using content delivery network, faster performance, we can achieve faster performance and low latencies.
Okay, so good. Now, for example, I have websites. Can I able to know those websites are accessing CDN or not?
Sure, sir. We can know how based on faster performance. Based on session affinities.
Okay, so no issues. So what is health probes?
Sir, health probes is nothing but we can say it as it checks the heartbeat of the server, and also it listens the port on which the website works. For example, in real time, health probe is set to work on 443 port.
Okay,
and we can also set it on 80 port.
Okay. So now coming to storage account. So how many storages you have in a storage account by default?
For storage accounts, we have files, queues, containers, and tables.
Again in container?
Again in container, we have 3 types of. It is divided into 3 types: append blob, page blob, blob.
Okay, so while creating a container, you have 3 levels of access actually.
Yes.
So what are those?
So those are known as container level access, blob level access, and private level access.
What is the difference between container level access and blob level access?
Using container level access, we can access the files in the container. Actually, we can access the data in the containers. I mean, in the case of blob level access, we can't access the data in the blob.
Access the data.
Yes.
So let me go with the Azure SQL. So what is exactly failover group?
So failover group is server to server replica, sir. I mean, if a server has number of databases, we can exactly replicate the number of databases, or else we can replicate our own requirement.
Okay. Now my requirement is I want to replica only DB to DB.
Yes, sir.
So which option I can choose? Only database to database.
Only database to database. We use replica options.
Okay. So now coming to Terraform.
Yes.
So what is state file?
It is a file which tells us the existing resources which are created by Terraform, or the resources which are in the control of the Terraform.
Okay. So what is the purpose of backend block?
So backend block is used to, using access keys. Backend block is used to transfer the state file to the cloud, from local to the cloud, and also from the storage account, and also to copy the state file from the storage account to the local.
Storage account to local.
Yes.
Okay. So what is data block?
So data block is a block used to create resources under existing resources.
Okay. Then what is import?
So import is used to import the resources in the infrastructure which are in the control of Terraform.
Okay.